Hi guys, welcome. We want to solve for x in x raised to the power 3 equals 2. Guys, let's see solution. We have x raised to the power 3 equals 2. Alright, now let's recall that we can express 2 to be equals cube root of 2 raised to the power 3. So because at the end, this cube will cancel this cube root, right? So now we have x raised to the power 3 equals cube root of 2 raised to the power 3, right? So what we have to do now is transfer this to the other side. So we have x raised to the power 3 minus cube root of 2 raised to the power 3 equals 0. So now if you have this expression of m raised to the power 3 minus n raised to the power 3 equals m minus n, m squared plus mn plus n squared. If you apply this to this expression, we will have x minus cube root of 2, then multiply by x squared plus x times cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 then raised to power 2, right, equals 0. So what we are going to have is this equals 0 and this equals 0. So we have x minus cube root of 2 equals 0. Let's name that as equation star. Then we will have x squared plus x times cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 raised to the power 2 equals 0. So let's name that as equation star star. All right. So but from equation star, what we are going to have is x equals cube root of 2. All right. So but however, from our equation star star, so let's compare it with the general form of quadratic equation. So ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which implies that a coefficient of x squared is 1, b coefficient of x is 3 cube root of 2, and c, our constant, is cube root of 2 square. All right, this is what I just said. Our a equals 1, our b equals cube root of 2, and our c equals cube root of 2 raised to the power 2. All right, so we want to solve this quadratically. So from the quadratic formula that say x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. All right, so from here now we want to substitute these values into this formula. So we'll have x equals minus b, what's our b, cube root of 2 plus or minus, we have square root of cube root of 2 raised to the power 2 minus 4 times a is 1. So what's our c? Cube root of 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so from here now we will have our x to be equals, this is cube root of minus cube root of 2 plus or minus we have cube root of 2 raised to the power 2. All right, we have it common here, and that's why we factorize it out. So what we left here is multiply by, this should be 1, then minus 4. Yes, so we have 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so we can move further to have our x to be equals minus cube root of 2 plus or minus square root of cube root of 2 raised to the power 2, then multiply by minus 3. 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. Everything divided by 2. So what we are going to have is x equals minus cube root of 2 plus or minus square root of cube root of 2 raised to the power 2, then times square root of minus 3. Right, everything divided by 2. So from here what we'll have is x equals minus cube root of 2 plus or minus, then here we'll have this, right, cancel this, so we have cube root of 2, all right, multiply by square root of minus 3 divided by 2. All right, guys, we move forward. So we have x equals, let's divide each of these by 2. So we have minus cube root of 2 divided by 2 plus or minus, we have cube root of 2 multiplied by, this will be square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. But recall that our I equals square root of minus 1. So we'll have x to be equals minus 3, cube root of 2 divided by 2 plus or minus, we have cube root of 2 times cube root of, square root of 3, then I divided by 2. So what this means is we'll have x to be equals minus, this cube root, it simply means we have 2 raised to the power 1 over 3, right? So we have 2 raised to the power 1 over 3, then we have divided by 2 here, right? So plus or minus, again here we have cube root of 2, so that means that 2 raised to the power 1 over 3, so right, so divided by 2 before we multiply it with square root of 3i. All right, so now from the law of indices, when number with equal base have been divided, the power of the divisor is subtracted from the power of dividend, right? So we have x equals minus 2, we have 1 divided by 3 minus, what's the power of this? 1, Abby. So we have plus or minus, another here we have 2, we have 1 divided by 3 minus 1, right? So then we have square root of 3i. Okay, so now we have x equals, if you want to simplify this, we have minus 2, right? So the LCM of this is 3 in 3, 1 times 1, that is 1, minus 1 in 3 times 1, that is 3. So we have plus or minus, we have 2 raised to the power, again we have 1 minus 3 divided by 3, then we have square square root of 3i. We are almost there. So we have x equals minus 2 raised to power minus 2 over 3 plus or minus 2 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Then we have square root of 3i. So therefore, we have x to be equals to, we have 2 raised to power minus 2 raised to power minus 2 over 3 in common. So that's what we want to factorize out. We have 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 3. So what we left here, we have minus 1 plus or minus. So what's left here? So we have square root of 3i. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.